I know what it feels like. Anyone else that's out there is thinking becoming famous will change your life and make it better. Don't do it, man. Do a normal job. Be a plumber or an electrician, or have a normal life. Don't do this. Or you'll end up laying here like me, thinking, what the fuck is my life been about? Hey, you don't want that. I'm lucky, I've got a good girlfriend. She loves me, she understands me. So I'm lucky because I know all the money in the world don't buy that. So I'm alright. I've got what's important. I've got the right perspective. I see things differently to other people.